Hello everyone, and welcome. Have you ever wondered what makes mud sticky or why some soils crack when they dry out? The secret lies in tiny particles called clay minerals. These minerals are the fundamental building blocks of clay. They determine its properties and uses. Today, we are going to dig into the science and explore the main types of clay minerals in a simple way. Let's start with our first major group, the kaolinite group. Think of these minerals as tiny, stable stacks of plates. Their structure is simple, with one silica layer and one alumina layer bonded tightly together. Because of this tight bond, water can't easily get in between the layers. This means kaolinite clays don't swell or shrink very much. A famous example is kaolin, also known as China clay, which is used to make beautiful porcelain, glossy paper, and even cosmetics. Next, we have the dramatic smectite group. These minerals have a different structure, with two silica layers sandwiching an alumina layer. The bonds between these sandwich-like units are very weak. This allows a lot of water and other molecules to get in between them. As a result, smectite clays have a very high shrink-swell capacity. They can absorb a huge amount of water and expand dramatically, then shrink and crack as they dry. The most well-known member is montmorillonite, which is the main component of bentonite clay. You'll find it in everything from cat litter to drilling mud for oil wells. Moving on, we find the Illite group, which is like a middle ground. Its structure is similar to smectite, with that 2-to-1 layer arrangement. However, there's a key difference. Illite has potassium ions locked between its layers. These potassium ions act like glue, holding the layers together more firmly than in smectite. This means Illite doesn't swell as much. It's less expansive than smectite but more active than kaolinite. Illite is one of the most common clay minerals on Earth, found widely in soils and shales, and it's a key ingredient in making bricks and tiles. Finally, let's briefly touch on the chlorite group. These minerals have a more complex structure, often described as a layered sandwich with an extra sheet of other elements like magnesium and iron. This structure is very stable and doesn't allow for swelling at all. While not as famous for commercial uses like pottery or cat litter, chlorites are very important geologically. You often find them in metamorphic rocks, which are rocks that have been changed by heat and pressure. So, to recap, we have the stable kaolinites, the swelling smectites, the intermediate illites, and the geologically important chlorites. Each group has a unique structure that dictates how it behaves. Understanding these differences is key to everything from farming and construction to creating art. Thank you so much for watching and learning about the fascinating world of clay minerals with us today. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, please consider liking this video, leaving a comment with your thoughts, or subscribing to the channel. Your support truly makes a difference and helps us keep creating educational content for you. See you in the next video.